Whoa! This place smells amazing!
But everyone is ordering so fast! What should I say?
Welcome! Today, Emma is visiting a busy night market. You will learn how to order food, how to ask simple questions, how to talk about price, how to pay in English. This lesson is slow, clear, and beginner-friendly. Let's begin.
Wow, this place is huge. So many food stalls, noodles, burgers, kebabs, fried chicken. Everything smells incredible. That sounds good. Everybody looks happy here. Okay, I'm hungry now.
I'm hungry. Everything smells amazing. This place is busy. I want to try street food.
Hello.
Hi.
Would you like a burger?
Maybe. What's inside the burger?
Beef, cheese, onions, tomato, lettuce, and sauce.
Oh, wow. It looks really good.
It's our most popular burger.
Is it spicy?
A little spicy.
Okay, I can eat spicy food. Well, sometimes. Can I ask something?
Of course.
Can I get it without onions?
Yes, no problem.
And no pickles, please.
Okay.
Can I add extra cheese?
Yes, extra cheese is $1 more.
That's okay. I love cheese.
What's inside? Is it spicy? No onions, please. Can I add extra cheese?
Would you like fries?
Yes, large fries, please.
Anything to drink?
What drinks do you have?
Cola, lemonade, iced tea, and water.
One iced tea, please.
Good choice.
Wow, you cook very fast.
We are always busy at night.
I can see that. That looks delicious. Now I'm really hungry. How much is everything?
Burger, $6. Large fries, $3. Iced tea, $2. Total is $11.
Okay, $11. I have cash. Here is $20.
Thank you. 20 minus 11. Here is $9 back.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. This is amazing. The fries are crispy too. Perfect. Wait, it's spicy.
Too spicy?
Just a little.
Do you need water?
Yes, please. Okay, much better now. Street food is really fun. And the people are friendly. Maybe one more snack.
You learned burger, fries, spicy, crispy, drink, cash, change, menu, extra cheese. Key sentences. What's inside? Is it spicy? Can I get it without onions? How much is everything? Here is $20. Here is your change. Ordering food in English can feel stressful. But simple English helps a lot. Speak slowly, ask simple questions, and enjoy your food. Keep practicing every day. You are improving step by step. See you next time.